I would say that the many times it's a case of adding small amounts of value to the client. So it's not the case necessarily that you can go and add as an accountant a huge value in one go. That it does happen occasionally that someone has a tax situation or a situation where the tax treatment could vary considerably from what they do, depending how they structure what they do. But most of the time, it's all about helping them make the small decisions that save them a bit of tax here and there, and which over time obviously adds up. And I would say that probably a good portion of my clients save from when they had another accountant, when they have me, probably have saved several years of my accounting fees in their tax returns over a few years. Is that they're all passionate about what they do and their business, and they have endless enthusiasm for it. And certainly the range of clients and businesses which I have means that everyone's different. Everyone's got a different business. And personally, in my within my practice, I have people varied as from fruit ripening machines, manufacturing fruit ripening machines. The second largest in the world is one of my clients. All the way through to the traditional sort of pubs and restaurants as well. So I've got the complete range of different types of businesses, and it's just interesting seeing what they do, how they do it, and talking to people. It's fascinating, just the variety that's out there. And as I say, they all have this wonderful enthusiasm for what they do. It's helping people improve their businesses by helping them understand the data that they get from their business, and giving them advice based on that data, and making a little difference to them. Admittedly, each sort of difference is probably a small difference, but still, it's a positive difference, and I enjoy doing that. I enjoy explaining the nightmares of our tax system to business owners when they're trying to work out what's going on. It's really satisfying when you explain something to them and they suddenly say, "Ah, I understand now." It gives me satisfaction, and I enjoy it. I was changing my career, what I was doing, having worked in industry for many years. I decided that I'd like to do something different, and I came to the conclusion that being working within practice would be an interesting thing to do. Initially, I thought about becoming a completely independent accountant, and I also looked at joining a small local accountancy practice. And whilst doing the research for that, I came across AIMS, and I thought, this is something in between the two. It gives me the best of both worlds. I have the independence of being my own boss, but I have the support of being in a medium-sized practice. And so I thought that sounds like a good fit for me. And hence I joined AIMS. Ignoring the 2 years of COVID, it's been an interesting journey. I've enjoyed the vast majority of it. It's been a reasonably successful journey from my point of view. It allows me to enjoy the work-life balance that I want to enjoy, and it's in general it's been a very rewarding time, and I look back on it with great pleasure.